welcome.
Welcome to Broadband World Forum 2013.
My name is Daniel Tang. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of update of Huawei's thinking, how to make technology work in a very dynamic world of ultra broadband and internet society. Because today, broadband is now a critical catalyst for long-term development. Once you tried the high-quality service, then you will never be able to leave it. By boosting customer experiences together, we can unleash the power of ultra broadband to provide a much more optimized user experience for our customers together. We create more value, then we can build a more healthy ecosystem for the industry, working together with the content side, with the consumer electronics, and of course, inside the broadband industry.
It's been a very interesting broadband forum this year here in Amsterdam.
We had a very great event with lots of innovation.
It's been a fantastic year this year. I think last year was the year of vectoring. This year, certainly the year of G.Fast.
It's very exciting to be here to see what is happening.
A lot of customers, they have a huge legacy system, so that you cannot just give them the beautiful picture, I have the bright future, but you also need to find a way. How can you migration from your legacy network to the future architecture? That is also some of the areas we are doing a lot of things here.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm very glad we given 20 minutes to share our ideas and the propositions for the ultra broadband.
My impression is that it's more going into services than it used to be boxes that the vendor is presenting. So that's a good thing because it's services that we deliver to our customers, and we need to have our vendors going with us in that process.
We want to build the better future with the customers together.
I'm enjoyed to have seen Huawei, who have developed in advance into FTTP solution and G.Fast solution.
What we've seen in the meantime is companies like Huawei meet the needs of operators to deploy super fast broadband, very fast broadband, gigabit broadband, without using fiber to the home.
Huawei's vision, we believe that the ultra broadband will grow better and faster like the sunflowers in the sunshine.
They're one of our key suppliers.
Quality means also stability in the network, which makes our life simpler.
Next year in the Broadband World Forum. See you next year.
See you next year.
See you next year.
We hope to see you next year.
We look forward to seeing you in 2014.
Together, let's unleash the power of ultra broadband.